How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch the most precise tops and bottoms in the stock market. And I want to go over ticker ICU, and I want to show you guys exactly my system on why this stock has dropped so much. And a lot of people are confused, and I'm going to show you guys the system and how it works and can we be profitable in this chaotic market, right? So, and before I get right into it, I do have a premium Discord where I tell you guys my best trades with transparency of my entries and exits in real time for only $6 a month. You can be into this system, and I'll put the link into the comments and the description below. But before I get into that, let me show you how effective this system is in catching these reversal points and how I know when to buy without bias and know when to sell without bias. So this is ICU. Has had a lot of hype. A lot of people like it, but it had a big, massive down move here, and from the highs of 1.71 to now 76 cents, we cut off $1, and we lost over 100% in only 2 days, right there, right? So here's the system. What it tells me: the bottom band is a buy zone. That is where buyers usually step in, where the market makers and the algos will kick in to had the price correct to the reversion of the mean or a more reasonable price, right? Because price can't just go up, 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 up. You're going to have correction points. It's like an ocean. You go down and up, down and up. So right in here is a sell zone. The red band is your sell zone. Never buy there. Do not hold any shares. You need to be out no matter what. And then the blue band is where I was saying price corrects to, and looks like price corrected to it in literally 2 days right there. So I'm going to see if I see any buy zones. Wow, I see one right there. So it looks like not too much data this has been out. But we got some nice candles here. So as you can see, when price pierces this green band, and then also you do not just get in right away. You wait for other indicators, like I had the KDJ, this yellow line right here. Lower the value of less than 5 is what I look for. And guess what? This was a 4.10, and this has pumped big time from 59 cents all the way to like a high of, let me see what it says. A high of 88 cents. That is a massive gain just in 1 day right in here, because that is when the buyers had to step in, and then the chart is kind of recorrecting, and it hasn't been lower since. But literally, that's a nice swing trade. Those are the type of trades I love. They're very fast. And then also, you can see the red band sell off, and now red band sell off hits this blue band, because remember, has to hit it, and then this is when it wanted to hit it, and then we hit this red band and had a massive sell-off, guys. So I'm not anywhere confused about this. It's been telling us a lot of the times, touch, 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 and then touch, and they've all been selling off consistently. We had a nice little buy zone right there to make nice, decent profit. So having this system, it helps me knowing, like, I'm never going to buy in the blue band. I ignore a lot of the candles up here, up in here, and I wait for price to come to me, right? That is what you want to do. You don't ever be like, I have to get an ICU. It's down, it went from a top of 171 and then went to like 103. I had to get in. It had a massive move. It was going up a lot. But my system tells me, one, we haven't even hit the blue band here, and then we finally hit it on this next candle. But why not just wait till it gets closer to the green band, where you have a more high success rate of winning? And yes, there's no system to catch the absolute perfect bottom, but I can catch pretty precise, and as long as you have a nice accumulation rules, you can be able to make massive money by using this. And like I said, just a little about me, I've done this over 6 years, developed this system, and do this full time, so it does work, and it can work for anyone because it is not as complex as you seem. Yes, I'm giving you a general idea how it works, but I also have a video in my private Discord that goes over all these indicators and how to use them effectively, and how to avoid the no's, and then some secret strategies I have with this system. But as you can see, when price goes up a lot, you notice the green band is going to go down a lot. That does not mean price is going to hit the green band. This green band is going to start going up and reflecting. Once price stabilizes, this green band is going to stabilize with it and go up. It's so out of whack the chart is, when it's in a big massive up move, you have to have the chart correct, and that's what we're doing right here, guys. The chart's going to correct, and we need the bands to correct. And do keep in mind, these are extreme overextended and oversold territories. I customize these to work in the general market to have those extreme territories, right? Because if these hits my red band, more than likely than not, you're looking for a sell-off. And if it does not sell off, then it's in a squeeze pattern when it gets to way too above the ATR levels. And like the GME, that one time, that was a squeeze pattern. And just got to be careful about that kind of stuff. But yeah, it works a lot, guys. I really enjoyed this analysis of ICU. I am going to keep it on my watch. I do hope this bottom wick candle holds on this hammer at around 66 cents. If someone is trying to average down that did buy up in this top, that's what I would like to see. But as of now, I am going to wait for price to come to me, and there's plenty of plays in the stock market that do hit this bottom green band that can make you that nice 20 to 30% gains consistently, and some way even more, because I do see a lot of gapper ups overnight that have made 100% overnight and made massive returns, right? If you guys are interested in joining the premium Discord, I would highly encourage you guys. If you're just, one, you're blindly trading, or two, don't have an edge, and three, if you just love bottom reversals and like to get shares at a discount and sell them for a high price and you never have to chase, this is the Discord for you, because we catch precise bottoms, and I have accumulation rules that are very nice to follow to make you highly consistent. And I talk about this all in this Trade Alerts channel, and you will see my exact entries and exits. So if I make 20%, you should make 20%. And then I have a setup video that you can go over and watch, and you can get all these indicators exactly on your chart, and how to use it efficiently, this system, because I do have, this system is a little more complex than just what you're seeing here. So I have a complex 30-minute video to teach all my Discord members that put in the time, put in the money to get this. And like I said, I've been doing this for over 6 years, so it's a great system. Only $6, and I'm probably going to do that for a limited time once we get over 500 members. We're getting up there at the high ranges of about 300 in the premium Discord. We have 1,000 members overall, but it's only $6, and if it don't work, you can leave anytime, but I promise you, you will be consistent. I'll teach you how to be boring, how to not have FOMO, how not to chase, and let the market come to you, because some days there won't be trades, but you'd rather not be in a trade than back hold, right? That's my theory about that. But this is ICU. It's worked perfectly for the sells and the buys, and it works very nicely for a lot of stocks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do want to help me out, give it a like, subscribe, comment what your average share price is for ICU. It helps the algorithm of YouTube share it to other people and reach more people that desperately need to know how to help retail out, how to trade reversals, you know, when is a bottom forming, and the likelihood of your probability of winning over losing. Because that is what trading is. Nobody knows the future, but we can have an edge to make money and be confident in the market. I would not be confident if I bought in these ranges or in here, so I wait for the system to tell me when to buy, and that's really what you want to do. You want to wait for this green band bounce, make your massive returns. Wait, you can do the second bounce as I talked about in my other videos, and that's the big bounce to the blue band, and that's what you get. Because as always, remember guys, when there's a gap of this blue band not getting touched around 1 to 2 month time frame, then it's eager to hit that blue band, and that's what you do from this low band. You get that touch. Price is always going to touch it. It's not going to go straight up to the moon. It's going to go down and touch that blue band. So yeah, there's a lot of ins and outs. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. Go to the YouTube comment section and look at the pinned comment and say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and it'll also be in the description on YouTube. Be very easy to find. You won't regret it. Only $6, and I'll see you there, and have a great evening.